I'm with Jared Fredericks and his dad. We're with Wild Buck. I don't know how he did it, but Jared, you got first hook tonight in the 401 class. Yeah. Man, you're pretty lucky there.
We did some work in the rear end, tried to lighten stuff up to get more weight on the front.
Is this your first time competing here?
Second
time here. So what do you think? Are you liking Louisville? Don't like the short track? Like the short track? What's your opinion?
It is what it is. We all knew. I've been coming down here for, I don't know, 25 years.